Here's how to sync health and fitness data from a Huawei Watch to Samsung Health using a third-party bridge app in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to connect the two apps even though they do not support direct syncing. Important to know, Huawei Health and Samsung Health do not connect directly. Instead, you'll need a third-party app such as Health Sync from Google Play to transfer supported health data between them. First, open the Huawei Health app and make sure your watch has already synced its latest information. You should see your recent workouts, heart rate, sleep records, and other activity data on the main screen. Once everything is up to date, tap Me, then open Settings, select Privacy Management, tap Data Sharing and Authorization, and enable Huawei HealthKit if it is available. Next, open the Health Sync app. During the setup wizard, choose Huawei Health as the source and Samsung Health as the destination. You'll immediately see permission requests asking Health Sync to access data from both apps. Then, grant every requested permission for Huawei Health, Samsung Health, and Health Sync. Android may display several permission screens, followed by Health Sync authorization pages. Allow each one so the apps can exchange supported health information. After that, select the health data you want to synchronize. You can choose workouts, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, and other supported metrics. Once you finish selecting the categories, tap the option to start the first synchronization. You'll see a progress indicator, followed by a successful sync message when the process is complete. Now, keep in mind that step counts will not sync into Samsung Health. This is a Samsung restriction that prevents third-party apps from writing step data, even though other supported health metrics can transfer successfully. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Manually sync Huawei Health first, confirm your latest watch data has uploaded, make sure all permissions are enabled, disable battery optimization for Huawei Health, Samsung Health, and Health Sync, then run Health Sync again after waiting a few minutes. Once everything is set, supported Huawei Health data including workouts, heart rate, sleep, and other compatible metrics will begin appearing in Samsung Health through Health Sync, although step counts will not sync. Following these simple steps makes syncing a Huawei Watch to Samsung Health quick and easy.